Good morning children, 4th class mathematics. Today we are discussing a new topic, that is multiples and factors. It is our 6th chapter. Say the spelling of multiples spelling once. multiples, multiples, and factors, factors. In this chapter, we have to discuss what do you mean by multiples and what do you mean by factors. Okay. Here, in your textbook, page number 106, they given some get started bits. Okay. Everyone open page number 106 once. See children. Sanjay wants to count the number of legs of the cows in a dairy farm. Okay. Sanjay has a cow's dairy farm. Okay, in that cow's dairy farm, he wants to count the number of legs of cows. Here they given cow figure. One cow has how many number of legs, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, one cow is there means it has compulsory 4 legs. Okay, number of cows. One cow is there means number of legs 4. If number of cows 2, how many legs the 2 cows had? 4 into 2. 4 2s 8. If 3 cows is there means how many number of legs are there? This number of legs multiply with number of cows. 4 into 3. 4 3s 12. If you multiply these numbers means we will get this answers. Okay? 4 1s 4. 4 into 2. 4 2s 8. 4 3s 12. If 4 cows are there, how many number of legs? Okay, 4 into 4. 4 4s 16. 4 5s 20. 4 6 24. If 6 cows are there in the dairy farm means the 6 cows are had 24 legs. Okay, like this you have to finish the get started box. Then they given multiples. What do you mean by multiples, children? Here they given frog and the rabbit. Okay, the frog jumped 2 steps at a starting from 0, and this rabbit jumps 3 steps at a starting from 0. Means they given numbers here 0 to 20. They given 0 to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 after 9, 10. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Like the given numbers, and the numbers they are mentioned with the circle. Okay. Like this. 10 to 20, 1 to 10 they given forward direction, and 11 to 20 they given like backward direction. Okay. Means in the reverse order. The frog wants to jump every 2 steps from 0. 1, 2. Here to here. Again next 2 steps. 1, 2. Again 2 steps. 1, 2. Means the frog jumps every time multiples of 2. The frog jumps multiples of 2. The frog jumping number should shade with the color green. Second number shade with green crayon. You have to use crayons for shading the circles. For this 4 also should shade green. 6 also green. 8 also green. 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 green, green, green. 20 also green, like this. The frog, which number she has to jump? For that number should shade with green. And next, the rabbit. The rabbit, which number 2 she has to jump? That number should shade with the which color? Red color. You have to shade with the red color. Okay. The frog jumps, the bunny jumps every time. 3 jumps. See, color red the numbers I step on. I step on. Three steps. 1, 2, 3. Here to here, the rabbit will jump. And again count 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Here to here. Again 1, 2, 3. Here to here. 1, 2, 3. Here to here. Okay. The rabbit jumping numbers you should shade with the red color. For these 3 use red crayon. You have to use the red crayons. Okay. And this 6 red. This 9 red. This 12 red. And this 12 after 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. This one also red. Again 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. This one also shade with the red. Already some numbers are shaded with green. All that also have to shade with again red. No problem. So here they given. We see that the frog jumps on the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the numbers are called multiples of 2. Okay. Next, write the numbers. The bunny jump steps on. They given 3. 3 after 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th dash means that is 21. Okay. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. You have to write on this. And they given here properties of multiplication. They given properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication means if you multiply any number to 1, we will get the number itself. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. It is the first point. And 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. And the second one, every number is a multiple of 1. Okay, every number is a multiple of 1, like this. Okay, and the next one, that is every number is a number itself. Every number is a number itself. Okay. For example, I am taking 4 into 1, we will get the number itself. Every number is a multiple of 1 means you will get the same number. Okay. Every number is multiple of itself. Next, third one. The smallest multiple of number is the number itself. The smallest multiple of the number is number itself. Means 5 into 1, 5. Next, for example, 6 into 1, 6 only. The 7 into 1 means 7. If you take any number, smallest multiple of the given number is number itself. And the next point, that is, For every multiple of a number is equal to the same number or greater than the number. Every multiple of a number is equal to that number. Means, for example, 8 ones 8 are greater than the number, given number. For example, take 8 table, 8 ones 8, 8 to 16, 8 threes 24, 8 fours, how much? 32 and so on. If we take 8 table means every number is a multiple of number. The number is itself and the bigger numbers. Next one. And the next one is there is no larger multiple of a number as multiples are infinite. In these multiples, particularly it is the least number, it is the last number, like that not there. The multiples of continue, the multiples are infinite. The multiples are infinite. Means there is no end point for multiples. If we take 22 threes, we will get 22 fours also, like that. If you multiply any number to last number means we will get one more number also. There is no infinite numbers. And that the last point is a multiple of a number is divisible by the number. Okay. Multiple of number is divisible by the number. For example, here I am taking is a 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. 9 is a multiple of 3 and it is divisible by 3 also. And 9 is divisible by 3 also. Okay, it is the last step. And how to find the multiples? Finding the multiples. Finding the multiples. Here, for example, we have to take a number that is 9. You have to find the first 5 multiples. The given first question is find the first 5 multiples of 4. How we should do? We should multiply the given number with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones 4. 4 twos 8. 4 threes 12. 4 fours 16. 4 fives 20. These are the first 5 multiples of given number as a 4. Like this. Okay. And here, what do you mean by odd number? What do you mean by even number? Even numbers. Even numbers is nothing but the numbers which are multiples of 2. The numbers which are the multiples of 2 is known as even numbers. Okay, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. If they given any number of digits but in the ones place this numbers is there, the total number is called as even number. And for example here 564, 3120 and 896. You have to check the only ones place. Ones place we have 406. These are even numbers. So the total given numbers also known as even numbers. And what do you mean by odd numbers? Odd numbers is nothing but which numbers are not multiples of a 2. Which numbers are not a multiples of a 2? That numbers are known as odd numbers. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. For example, here also you have to check the ones place numbers. In the ones place this numbers is there means you should know the total number is known as the odd number. That is 581, 367, 809, like this. You have to observe the ones place. Ones place these numbers are there means these are known as the odd numbers. Okay. These all you have to read the definitions. So today your homework is learn and write given definitions in maths notes. One time, that is textbook page number 106 and 107, chapter 6. Okay, once everyone open your page number 107. Here they given properties of multiples, odd numbers and even numbers. Okay, these all you have to read and write in your maths notebook. This is your homework today, and read the definitions also. This is your homework today. Thank you.